physical appearance of Dajjal: a man with very curly hairs, red complexion, blind in the right eye, which look like a bulging out grape. There will be written between his eyes the word Kafir. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that the Dajjal would be followed by 70,000 Jews of Isfahan wearing Persian shawls. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, Ad-Dajjal will come to the Medina and find the angel guarding it, so Allah willingly, neither Ad-Dajjal nor Plaj will be able to come near it. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said about Dajjal that he would have water and fire with him. What would seem to be fire would be cold water, and what would seem to be the water would be fire. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, Dajjal will appear on the way between Syria and Iraq and will spread mischief right and left. He stays on the earth for 40 days. One day will be like a year. One day will be like a month. One day like a week. And the rest of the days will be like your days. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, Dajjal will walk upon the earth like cloud, driven by the wind, means very quickly. He would come to the people and invite them into a wrong religion, and they would affirm their faith in him and respond to him. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, He will then give command to the sky, and it will send its rain upon the earth, and he will then send his command to the earth, and it will grow. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, Then in the evening he will display more of his miracles and power given to him by Allah. He will then call a person brimming and youth strikes him with the sword and into pieces, and make these pieces lie at the distance which is generally between the archer and his target. He will then call that young man, and he will come forward, laughing, with his face gleaming out of joy. And it will be at this very time that Allah will send Prophet Isa, son of Maryam. Prophet Isa will descend at the white minaret in the eastern side of Damascus, wearing two garments, lightly dyed, and placing his head on the wings of two angels. Then he will lower his head. There would fall drops of water from his head, and when he will raise it up, drops like pearls scatter from it. Every disbeliever who will find Hazrat Isa smell will die, and his smell will reach as far as he will be able to see. He will then search for Dajjal until he will catch hold of him at the gate of Lod and will kill Dajjal.